Here's a certified 2014 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, active grille shutters, heavy-duty shocks, and V8 engine. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. Ram gets the job done. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.